How to convert Exchange EDB to PST using Softaken Exchange Recovery. Click on Browse button and select EDB file. Now click on Finish button. Software will show you preview of selected EDB files. Now select Outlook PST to export EDB into PST file format. In next step you can choose desired folders or mailboxes which you want to export. After selection, click on Next button. In next step you can use Advanced Filter for selected items. Now click on Next button. You can export data in existing PST or create new PST by using these options. You can also split your PST file by size. Finally, click on Next to generate your exported PST files. If you need any assistance, you can directly contact Softaken Software at support@softaken.com.